Which one would you pick? $100 right now? Or $120 a year from now? Most people pick now, and they're right. Today's money and tomorrow's money aren't twins. The finance industry calls this time value of money, or TVM, and describes it as a core financial principle that states a sum of money is worth more now than in the future. Confused? We've enlisted the help of global money expert Lionel Lee. He is the author of Into the Moneyverse, The Real World of Money and Why Financial Literacy Alone Won't Save You, published by Penguin Random House. His explanations will cut through the financial jargon and make it real for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, why it matters, and even how to calculate it on your phone. Let's start by helping you to understand clearly what is time value of money, or TVM. Lionel says it simply means money can increase in value over time. If you put it somewhere where it earns a little extra, like bank interest, your $100 can become $101, $105 or more. You can also think of money like a plant. It can grow by a certain growth speed or rate over a time period, like a week, month, or a year. The more time you give it, the more it can grow. So your money now is worth more than the same amount later, because your money can grow. Like a snowball rolling downhill, it can pick up more snow over time. But why should you care about the time value of money? This is one of your money literacy tools. It equips you with a better way to compare now versus later. Like when you save for stuff you want, compare deals like pay now versus pay later. Decide if waiting is worth it instead of buying now, and protect your cash from prices slowly rising over time. Understanding this allows you to make better financial choices. So, how does it work? Lionel says there are 3 game moves you really need. Move 1 is grow forward. If you leave money in a place that pays you like a savings account, it grows. Move 2 is rewind back. If you'll get money in the future, you can rewind it to see what that's worth today. Move 3 is double money. We'll show you the fastest way to calculate the time needed to up your money by 2 times. Let's get you familiar with the grow combo move. Say your money grows by 5% per year. That just means every year it becomes 1.05 times what it was. You then multiply the now money by 1.05 once for every year you wait. So when we apply the recipe to $100 growing at 5% for 3 years, we'll get $115.76 by multiplying $100 by 1.05 thrice. Now for the rewind combo move. It allows you to find out what amount now equals a future amount. So if you want $100 in 2 years, and you can grow money by 5% per year, how much do you need today to be equal to that future $100? Simply rewind by dividing the future money by 1.05 for every year. So when we apply the recipe to the future $100, we'll get $90.70 today, just dividing $100 by 1.05 twice. This means if your money can grow at 5% a year, putting in $90.70 now should reach $100 in 2 years. Time to double your money. We call it the 72 rule. It's the fastest way to estimate how long it takes to double your money. Divide 72 by your money's growth rate. If the rate at which your money grows is 8%, 72 divided by 8 means it takes 9 years for your money to double. At 4%, you need 18 years to double your money. Now, let's do the TVM calculations on your phone. Try these 2 mini TVM missions. Mission 1. $100 today grows 6% per year for 3 years. What's it later? On your phone calculator, type 1 plus 0.06. Tap the power button or use multiply 3 times on 1.06 is equal to 1.191016. Multiply by your today amount, 1.191016 by 100. Answer is $119.10 after 3 years. Mission 2. You want $500 in 2 years. You can grow money by 5% per year. How much do you need today to be equal to that future $500? On your phone calculator, first find the growth factor, 1 plus 0.05. Do that for the number of years, which is 1.05 times 1.05 or 1.05 to the power of 2. Now divide the future amount by that number. 500 divided by 1.1025. Answer is about $453.51. This means if your money can grow at 5% a year, putting in $453.51 now should reach $500 in 2 years. Where does TVM actually matter in your life? Here are 4 common realities. When you put money into a savings account for a goal, you put $1,000 in a savings account earning 4% per year. After 5 years, you get $1,216.65. That extra $216 is money working for you. When you add multiple accounts or investments, you see how your net worth grows over time. When you compare buying a car and investing in a managed fund, you buy a $10,000 used car that loses 15% value per year. In 3 years, your car's value is only $6,141. If you had invested that same $10,000 at 7% per year, in 3 years, your money has grown to $12,250. Your net worth changes depending on whether money is tied up in things that lose value or grow value. When trying to figure out your student loan debt, you borrow $20,000 at 5% interest per year. If you do nothing for 3 years, your $20,000 balloons to $23,152 owed. TVM works against you when it is debt. Your liabilities grow, reducing your net worth if you don't pay them down. When you're planning for your future home down payment, you want to buy a home in 5 years and need a $50,000 down payment. If your savings grows at 6% per year, how much do you need today? The answer is $37,363. Knowing TVM helps you plan exactly how much today's money is worth for tomorrow's goals. Time value of money is just this. Money now and money later aren't equal. Know your growth rate, count the time steps, and press the right buttons. If your rate is per month, your time steps must be in months too. That's it. If this video helped, smash like, subscribe, and share with a friend who can benefit from knowing the value of money over time. Drop a comment with your answer to the $100 versus $120 question. Follow the School of Money for more money literacy made simple and useful.